Indices and logarithms, a small topic there. We can split this topic into two subtopics, where the first one is indices. You can write here indices. Then we look at logarithms later. So what do we call an index? Indexes. No, it's called the indices. This comes from the plural of index, plural of indices, plural of index. So that when there are many, we call them indices. When it is one, we call it index. Let me give a simple example. A number like 8 can be written as a product of 2's. So we have 2 repeated 2 repeated 2. So you can say this is 2 cube or 2 power 3 or 2 index 3. We take a number like 625. You can write this one as a product of 25 and 25. So this is 25 and 25, which can be written as 25 square. But you see, you can write this 25 as 5 times 5. The other 25 is 5 times 5. So you can write it as 5 power 4. The same number. Now we define something that is important in terms of this topic. Let's have a general number x written as a power m or a index m. The number that is at the bottom is called a base. So a is the base. The number that is at the top, that's the superscript, is called the index. This is the index. So x can be written as a base a index m. If I know what a and m are, I can tell you what x is. For example, here the base is 2 and the index is 3, in which case that number x now becomes 8. Here the base is 5 and the index is 4, so the number becomes 625. This is how we write numbers in index form or index notation. This one here. A base can be any number, but we have two very important number systems when we have a base of 2, when we have a base of 10, when we have a base of 16. So you can write something here about number systems. Number systems. Common ones that we use. What we use in counting, the normal way of counting things is called decimal. What computers understand is called binary. Computers also can understand another number system. So the most important ones are binary number system, This is a system where we use only 2 digits, to enumerate or count or represent numbers. We use either digit 0 or digit 1. Then we have the second number system, which we are going to see shortly. This is called the decimal number system. The decimal number system. Here we use digits 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 10. So here we use digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are 10 digits. We don't go to 10. We can model any number in decimal number system using these digits from 0 to 9. That's what we actually use in everyday life. Then we have the last most common number system we call hexadecimal. Hexadecimal number system. You know what this one is? Here we use 16 digits. 16 digits. So we use digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can recall this one is decimal number system. Now besides this, we have letters A. Let me use a different color so that we can combine them together. Let's say we use, which color do you like? It's okay. We have A, B, C, D, E, and F. These ones are 16. That's why we call it hexadecimal. You see, there is decimal here. Hexa means 6. Decimal, they are digits from 0 to 9. They are 10. Then we have hexa. We add 6 more digits. A, B, C, D, E, and F. And that makes the hexadecimal number system. So let's look at what we have just done. We have defined what an index is. The plural is indices. It comes from the word index. This is a way of writing numbers with a base and a power. So if we have generally a number written as x is equal to a to the power of m, the m that is superscript to a is called an index, and the number that is written in normal way is called the base. Index can also be, let's say, index can also be called power. It can also be called an exponent. These terms mean the same thing. Power, exponent, index, they mean the same thing. So you can write a number as a power m, a index m. A is the base, m is the index. Then we have defined 3 number systems. The first one is binary number system, which is understood by computers. Computers understand only ones and zeros. So we use 0 and 1. Bi means 2. Binary. Then we have the decimal number system that we normally use in counting, in writing checks, in writing our budgets. That's called the decimal number system that uses 10 digits. Deci has something to do with 10. These are digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You can model any number from these digits. Like if you want to give me 1 million bob, you only take 1 and 6 zeros, then that makes a million. Okay, then we have defined another number system we call the hexadecimal number system. This one uses the decimal number system digits, then we add 6 others, but these ones are letters. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is decimal system. Then we add A, B, C, D, E, F. Those are 6 digits, and that makes hexadecimal. That is 10 plus 6, making it 16 units. Then we fly ourselves up in the sky with those number systems. But we're not going to delve into binary and hexadecimal number systems unless we want to be biased towards computing. But that one will leave it to another day. We will want to stop there for the definition. The next lesson, we're going to look at laws of indices. So believe me, we will get there together.